Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the font size in the Eurosport application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the favorites section, look for the font size button and click on that. And as you can see, there are two options, so you can set it using the iOS setting, or you can customize it. And as you can see, you can bigger and you can make it bigger or smaller. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.